All right, my peeps. So I had to go take care of something else. I had a customer bringing a car in, so I had to go deal with that. So it's been about 30 minutes since I sprayed the car, and it's black. I've got the lovely Madison over here tack clothing, and I have my mixture already mixed up of the 0.008. What do we call it? Ghetto gold. It's got a hot. It's a gold metallic flake with a holographic feature to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I am now using the R500 with a 1.5 tip, and I mixed the Did Spade metal flakes into the Speedo Coat color blender is what I'm using now. So, all right, I'm switching to the 20-gallon compressor for this, and then I'll switch back to the DX for clear coat. Oh, I got a respirator on.
I didn't tap that yet.
Come on, baby, you gotta move. You gotta move.
I did all the back and everything, but I just haven't done that yet.
Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, girl. Okay, my people, I got about half the car done. I'm on my third refill. This time you'll get to see me spray some of these pearls. They're not pearls, these are metallics.